Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries for its flavor and medicinal properties. In recent years, researchers have been studying cinnamon to better understand its potential health benefits. Some studies have found that cinnamon may have anti-inflammatory, blood sugar regulating, antioxidant, anti-microbial, and even anti-cancer properties. In this video, we'll take a closer look at each of these potential health benefits and explore what the research says about cinnamon and our health. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon contains compounds such as cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and cinnamate, which have been found to have anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body, which may protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 2. Blood sugar control. Several studies have found that cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes by increasing insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon may also slow the rate at which glucose is released into the bloodstream after a meal, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Antioxidant activity. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Antioxidants can also help reduce inflammation in the body and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Anti-microbial properties. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties which may help fight infections caused by bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Some research has suggested that cinnamon may be effective against several types of bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella, as well as certain types of fungi. 5. Improved brain function. Some studies have found that cinnamon may improve brain function by enhancing cognitive processing, memory, and attention. This may be due to the presence of compounds in cinnamon that can improve blood flow to the brain and protect neurons from damage. 6. Anti-cancer effects. Some studies have found that cinnamon may have anti-cancer properties, particularly against colorectal cancer cells. These effects may be due to the presence of compounds in cinnamon that can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. 7. Improving skin health. Cinnamon has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce skin inflammation, redness, and swelling. It can also help fight acne-causing bacteria, improve blood circulation to the skin, and stimulate collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, cinnamon may help reduce the severity of skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. It's important to note that the research on cinnamon's health benefits is still ongoing, and more studies are needed to fully understand its effects. Here's a tip. Organic cinnamon powder is a healthier and more sustainable choice than regular cinnamon. It is grown without synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, or GMOs, which can be harmful to human health and the environment. Organic cinnamon powder may also have higher nutritional value and a better taste due to healthier soil and plants. When purchasing organic cinnamon powder, look for products that are certified organic by a reputable third-party organization to ensure that the product meets organic standards. We'll include a link to our favorite one in the description. Overall, cinnamon is a spice with a lot of potential health benefits, from regulating blood sugar and reducing inflammation to improving brain function and even fighting cancer. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand these effects and determine the optimal dosage for health benefits. As with any supplement or spice, it's important to talk to your doctor before incorporating cinnamon into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with others who might be interested in learning more about the potential health benefits of cinnamon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.